Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a login page on Weebly. First, log into your account. Then, on the top right, click on this Edit Site button. Now it will bring you to your site editor. To add a login page, go to Pages on the upper ribbon. Then, on the left panel, click on the plus sign button. Now, go and choose Standard Page. For the page name, set it as login. And now that you have it, you can now go ahead and customize the elements of that page. For example, is replacing the header layout. So just click on delete. Then select the layout for your login page and save that. Now, for the next step, on the upper ribbon, go to your site settings. Then on the left panel, go to member section. Here, make sure that this login inside menu is toggled on. Then also, allow people to register with your site. But just a reminder, this feature requires an upgraded plan for your website. But once you have that, you can now easily set this to have a login page automatically to your site. You can also go and add a member or a group if you'd like to. But that's just basically it. That's how you create a login page to your Weebly website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.